Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Dave, I have a very important question for you. What's your favorite food?
That's a difficult question. I like a lot of food.
Okay, then, what's the first food that comes to mind?
Pizza. Definitely pizza.
Pizza? That's your favorite?
Yes, I could eat pizza anytime.
Really? Even for breakfast?
Maybe.
I knew it.
Don't judge me. Pizza is good in the morning.
I'm not sure about that. I prefer eggs for breakfast.
Eggs are good too, but pizza is more exciting.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like chicken pizza, and I love pepperoni.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, not too spicy.
Same here. I like spicy food, but sometimes I regret it.
What do you mean?
I eat something really spicy, then 5 minutes later, I'm looking for water.
I know that feeling.
What's your favorite spicy food?
Probably spicy noodles.
Oh, I love spicy noodles.
Really?
Yes, especially when I'm hungry.
How spicy?
Pretty spicy.
You might be tougher than me.
Maybe, but I have a lot of water nearby.
That's a smart plan.
What about rice? Do you eat rice often?
Almost every day.
Me too. What do you usually eat with rice?
Chicken, sometimes fish, sometimes vegetables.
What's your favorite?
Chicken and rice. It's simple, it's filling, and I never get tired of it.
I understand. I like rice with grilled chicken.
That sounds good.
Do you cook it yourself?
Sometimes.
Are you a good cook?
I think so.
You think so?
Yes, my food tastes pretty good.
Who says that?
Me.
That's not very convincing.
Okay, my friends like my cooking.
That's better. What do you cook best?
Probably fried rice.
Nice. What's your secret?
Don't use too many ingredients.
That's your secret?
Yes, I'm a simple cook.
I like simple food too. Sometimes simple food tastes the best.
Exactly.
What food don't you like?
I don't really like olives.
Really? I love olives.
I know, you always put them on your pizza.
That's true.
They have a strange taste.
I think they're delicious.
Maybe it's just me.
What else don't you like?
Very sweet desserts.
Really? I love cake.
I like cake too, just not too sweet.
Okay, so we agree on pizza, but not everything.
That's okay. We don't have to agree about food.
True, but now I'm hungry.
Same.
So, Dave, pizza or fried rice?
That's unfair. I need more time to think.
You still can't choose?
Not yet. Pizza is great, but fried rice is great too.
Okay, let's make it easier. What would you choose for dinner tonight?
Probably fried rice.
Really? I thought you loved pizza.
I do, but I don't want pizza every day.
That's probably healthy.
Exactly. Maybe pizza twice a week.
Twice?
Maybe 3 times?
Dave.
Okay, twice.
What about burgers? Do you like burgers?
Of course, I love burgers.
What's your favorite kind?
A classic cheeseburger. Nothing too complicated.
With fries?
Always.
And a drink?
Of course.
You really like complete meals.
I like choices.
Fair enough. I like chicken burgers,
Chicken burgers are good.
especially with extra sauce.
Now you're making me hungry.
Good. That means I'm doing my job.
What about seafood? Do you like fish?
Yes, I do. I really like grilled fish.
Me too. I also like salmon.
Salmon is one of my favorites.
How do you usually eat it?
Usually with vegetables, sometimes with rice.
That sounds good.
Do you like sushi?
Yes, but only certain kinds.
Which kinds?
I like salmon sushi and tuna.
What about raw fish?
I'm okay with it, but not too much.
I understand. Sometimes I want cooked food, especially when I'm very hungry.
Same here.
What about desserts? What's your favorite?
Ice cream. Definitely ice cream.
What flavor?
Chocolate.
I knew it.
What about you?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yes, it's sweet and fresh.
I usually choose chocolate.
You've said that before.
Chocolate is always a safe choice.
Maybe, but sometimes it's good to try something different.
Like strawberry?
Exactly.
I'll think about it.
That's progress.
Do you like eating at restaurants?
Yes, especially with friends.
Me too. I enjoy trying different restaurants.
What's more important to you, good food or good company?
Good company.
Really?
Yes. Even simple food tastes better when you're with good friends.
I agree. Sometimes you don't remember the food, you remember the conversation.
Exactly.
What about eating at home?
I like that too. It's comfortable.
And cheaper.
That's true.
Do you cook with your friends?
Sometimes. But we usually end up talking more than cooking.
That sounds about right.
Then someone says, "Wait, who's watching the food?"
Oh no, has that happened?
More than once.
So what happened?
Usually nothing serious, but the food gets a little too cooked.
A little too cooked?
Okay, sometimes very cooked.
I think we've all done that.
Exactly.
So, Dave, we've talked about a lot of food, but there's one thing I still want to know.
What's that?
If you could eat only one food for one whole week, what would you choose? Okay, Dave. One food for a whole week. What would you choose?
That's easy. Chicken and rice.
For 7 days?
Yes.
Breakfast too?
Maybe not breakfast.
I knew it. You would get tired of it.
Probably. I'd need some eggs too.
So now it's chicken, rice, and eggs.
That's better.
What about snacks?
Can I choose 2 foods?
No. One food.
That's too difficult.
Then choose carefully.
Okay. Pizza.
I thought you were going to choose chicken.
I changed my mind.
Very quickly.
Pizza never disappoints.
What kind?
Chicken and cheese. Maybe a little spicy.
You really like spicy food.
I do, but not extremely spicy.
That's probably a good idea. I tried a very spicy dish once.
What happened?
I thought I could handle it. I took one bite, then I needed water.
Only one bite?
One very spicy bite. Don't laugh. My face was burning.
Okay, I understand.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, but I'm careful.
Why?
Sometimes the food looks amazing, but the taste is completely different.
That's true. Have you ever ordered something you didn't like?
Yes. Once I ordered a very expensive dish.
And?
I didn't like it at all.
Oh no, what did you do?
I ate it anyway. I didn't want to waste it.
That's happened to me too. Sometimes you just think, well, I paid for it.
Exactly.
What about street food? Do you like it?
Yes, especially when I'm traveling.
What's your favorite?
Grilled meat and noodles.
Sounds good.
Street food always smells amazing.
It really does. Sometimes I smell the food before I even see the restaurant.
Then you have to stop.
Exactly. That's how they get you. What food reminds you of home?
Probably rice and chicken. My family cooked it a lot.
That's nice. For me, it's soup. My family used to make it when the weather was cold.
Food can bring back memories.
Exactly. Sometimes one smell can remind you of your childhood.
That's true.
Do you have a food you can never get tired of?
Maybe noodles.
Again?
Yes, I really like noodles.
What kind?
Spicy noodles, soup noodles, stir-fried noodles. I like almost all kinds.
Okay, I think we found your real favorite food.
Maybe noodles are number 1.
And pizza?
Number 2.
Chicken and rice?
Number 3.
And coffee?
Coffee is not food.
But you talk about it like it is.
That's different.
Fair enough.
What about you? What's your number 1 food?
That's difficult. I love sushi. I love pasta. I love grilled chicken.
You can't choose either?
No, there are too many good foods.
That's a good problem.
It really is.
Maybe that's why I enjoy eating with friends.
Why?
We can order different things, then everyone can try something.
That's one of my favorite ways to eat.
Exactly. You get more choices.
And more food.
That's the important part.
Okay, Dave. I have one last food question for you.
I'm ready.
What's one food you absolutely cannot live without? Okay, Dave. What's one food you absolutely cannot live without?
Rice. Definitely rice.
Rice? Not pizza?
I love pizza. But I can't eat pizza every day
Fair enough. Why rice?
because I can eat it with almost anything. Chicken, fish, eggs, vegetables.
That's true. Rice is very easy to enjoy.
Exactly. I can have rice for lunch, rice for dinner, and I'm still happy.
What about breakfast?
Maybe not breakfast.
I knew you would say that.
I need something different in the morning. Maybe eggs and toast.
That sounds good. I usually like a simple breakfast too. Eggs, fruit, and coffee.
Coffee again.
Of course,
You really love coffee.
I do. And you really love rice.
That's fair.
Do you think your favorite foods have changed over time?
Definitely. When I was younger, I liked very sweet food. Now, I don't like things that are too sweet.
Same here. I used to love soda. Now I prefer water or tea.
That's funny. Sometimes our taste changes as we get older.
Yes, and sometimes we discover new foods.
That's one of my favorite things. Trying something new and finding out that I really like it.
Me too. But sometimes we try something new and don't like it at all.
Exactly.
Then you go back to your favorite food.
That's why favorites are important.
I agree.
You know what I like most about talking about food?
What?
There are no wrong answers.
That's true. Everyone likes different things.
Some people love spicy food. Some people hate it.
Some people love vegetables.
Some people are still learning to like them.
Are you talking about yourself?
Maybe.
I knew it.
I'm trying.
That's what matters. So, let's make a final list. What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Favorite healthy food?
Chicken and rice.
Favorite snack?
Popcorn.
Favorite dessert?
Chocolate ice cream.
Favorite drink?
Coffee.
I knew that one.
It was easy.
What about you?
Your turn.
Okay, my favorite food is grilled chicken. I also love sushi and pasta.
And your favorite dessert?
Strawberry ice cream.
I still think chocolate is better.
We'll have to disagree on that.
That's okay. We can still be friends.
I'm glad.
I think food is more than just eating.
I agree. Food can bring people together.
You can have dinner with friends. You can try new food together. You can cook with your family.
And sometimes your favorite food brings back good memories.
Exactly.
So, what is your favorite food?
Maybe pizza. Maybe rice. Maybe noodles. Actually, I think I need lunch before I decide.
That's probably the best answer. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
See you, everyone.